This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen layout on your Samsung. So this is very easy. This is the easiest method. Just go to the top right and go to Settings right here. Scroll on down to Applications or Apps. So choose Apps now. Go on down to One UI. So we could scroll down a little bit more. Find One UI. So it should be right about here. And then we can go to One UI Home. Okay? Then going down to where it says Storage. And then we can clear the cache and clear the data. When we clear the data, we can go back home now. And it might take like a second or so to load. And you can see this will be the original layout now for your home screen on your Samsung phone. Very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.